Hey, what's up today, everyone? We're going to work on a C major scale in 2 octaves and also a G major scale in 2 octaves. Now, a lot of us have learned it playing basically just a box across the neck, which is great. Obviously, study those, use those. This is going to specifically go from first position. So we're going to start with the C major scale. And when I get to the part where I have to shift onto my E string, I'm going to actually use what we call a duple system. So watch closely. Right here. Okay, so I'm basically playing 2 notes, each finger, each hand position, and then I'm going to do the same thing going back down. 2 notes, shift. Okay, so let's do that one more time, a little bit faster. Going back down. And as you do that, just make sure that you're practicing for fluidity in those transitions. Going on to the G major. This one I can do all in a box back here. Now, if you want a little extra challenge, you can take that G major up the B string. Notice again, I use the duple system, just playing 2 notes per position. All right, guys, have fun with that. Shoot me a message if you have any questions.